Hello, thank you for taking a moment to watch this video. And on this particular training, we're going to continue talking about the HubSpot and PhoneBurner integration. But more specifically, I want to show you how we can take it to the next level and start logging the call activity and even potentially email activities that happen in PhoneBurner back to HubSpot. So this is the first video where we're going to talk about what you need to do to turn this on. So if you think back to when we first installed the HubSpot data sync, right? So we created this data sync between HubSpot and PhoneBurner. When we're going through that install process, you may have seen or remember seeing the two apps. We've got a PhoneBurner app built by HubSpot and a PhoneBurner app built by PhoneBurner. Now the one that was built by PhoneBurner, you actually activate within your PhoneBurner account. So you go to your initials in the upper right-hand corner, you're gonna click on Integration Settings, and you're gonna go down to the HubSpot and click on Details. Now from here, all we need to do is click on the Connect to HubSpot. Now if we're already signed into HubSpot, we won't have to sign in. We just need to choose the account that we want to link PhoneBurner and HubSpot to. So we're going to click on Choose Account. And then the page will redirect here to this HubSpot integration page. So now we're linked. We've got PhoneBurner and HubSpot linked for activity logging, but in order for those activities to be associated to the specific user who did the action, who did the activity, we need to do some member mapping here. So here you're going to see a list of all of your PhoneBurner members, all of the people you've created PhoneBurner accounts for. You need to link the member in PhoneBurner to the owner in HubSpot. Now, as you can see, my HubSpot owners, I didn't give them names over there. They're just caller 1 or caller 2. I gave them some generic names over here on the PhoneBurner side. You're just going to be configuring the mapping. Once you've done the mapping, you just click on the Activate Integration. Once that is done, any activities, any call activities, any email activities that you do in PhoneBurner will now start logging back in HubSpot, in your activity feed in HubSpot. And so that's it for this specific training. Thanks for taking a moment to watch this video, and happy dialing.